Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So I'm going to give you key support resistance levels to pay attention to. I think the smarter play is to always be in a short. So I'm going to show you those points to enter a short and to put your stop above. We'll cover all of that. Guys, if you like this content, leave a like. I appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. So basically the reason I'm expecting a lot of downside is because I expect a lot of downside in traditional markets. I put up this video, this was a month ago, saying black swan event to crash all markets within 60 days based on this ring. If you want to go back and watch this video, I'll put a link up to it now. This is this chart. This was the last ring where I said when we hit this point we would have a crash. This was when inflation was on the rise. This is the ring I was referencing in that video. And you can see we're already moving down this ring. So I think the black swan event is already taking place. And we already know what happened with Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank. So I think the bank runs and sticky inflation is what's going to cause this next major leg down. This is a video I put up. This was a start of 60% Bitcoin crash in March. March is here. I believe this is the top. We're coming down. I covered all the reasons why I'm expecting downside. If you want to watch this video, I'll put a link up to it. Before I give you these key support resistance levels to pay attention to, guys, I'm still in my short. Again, I always want to be in a short to catch this next major drop. I was up over 10K. Now I'm up about 7,500. If you want to sign up for BitGet, my link's pinned in the first comment description. By the way, guys, I prefer BitGet. I trust their platform. They have proof of reserves. If you notice, I have been promoting BingX. This is just for those in the US that want to use an exchange where you do not need a VPN or KYC. If you want to sign up for them, my link's also pinned in the first comment description as well. I would like to point out, if you'll notice, this right here is Coinbase. The current price right now is $20,578. If you go to exchanges with USDT, so this is Coinbase USD, and it's what, 20,576. If you go to BitGet, this is USDT. You'll notice the price is 20,377. That's almost a $200 difference. Same with BingX, 20,375. That should be a red flag right there. Again, we saw what happened with Silvergate, shutting down operations, liquidating aftermarket meltdown. SVB is largest bank failure since 2008, and we've already seen how this affected USDC. At one point it was down to what, 88 cents. Currently it's at 96 cents, still depegged from the dollar. The red flags are there. So again, I've tried to make it very clear. People say you can't predict black swan events. Well, with FIP circles, I think you can. This was one. This ring here, this is when COVID happened. This was when inflation started rising, and they started raising interest rates, and we had a drop at this ring. I'm telling you, this is the next ring, and I think it's going to be bank runs. And keep in mind, other banks are probably going to, the same thing's going to happen, but you have to keep in mind, it's not just the banks. It's all of these businesses that are affected from these bank runs. So Silicon Valley Bank going under. Imagine all of these companies that just lost all of their money that's going to have to go bankrupt, and the ripple effect from that. So again, I think this is just the beginning. I've been talking about this ring for quite a while. I expect a lot of downside. So as far as points to long and short, well, guys, I can tell you this. If you're not currently in a short, and if we do push up, I think 20,900 would be an ideal point to put in a short with a stop above. If we get above that point, well, you get stopped out and you enter another short. I can tell you the next point to watch would be around 21,000, let's just say 21,423. This is our previous high right here. You got wicks here. This is a previous low. So that is one point to watch. But I think currently a likely point to enter a short if we push up is around, I would have a stop above 21,000, but I would enter if we test right around 20,900. Your current support right now is 20,121. If at any point we break below 19,328, we're going to have one major crash. This is our macro trend line of resistance flipped as support, and we have this blue ring which I covered in previous videos. This is the H1 chart. I'm watching this yellow trend line here. This was our resistance right here, resistance, and we're coming up on that now. So as long as we're below this point, so your closer point if you want to chance a short. Notice we got two perfect wicks right to this line. So your current resistance, 20,704. That's also this trend line of resistance. So that'd be an ideal point to enter a short. If we get above that, again, I would enter a short around 20,900. Those are the 2 points I'm watching. I may add to my short if we push up to 20,900, but I am definitely going to always be in a short, ready to catch the next leg down. Guys, if you want to sign up, get access to our Discord and these charts, the website's opticrypto.com. Links pinned in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Stay smart. I'm out.